Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 17th day of February 2026. And this is how the setup went for the trade today. Normally we look for our strong candle indicator, which is our inverted pyramid here. This little pyramid pointing downwards is red, says go ahead and take this candle short and trade it short down to the bottom of the screen. And that's what we're going to do. So what are we going to use for an ATM? What targets are we going to use? We look up here for the PVI. I expect the next candle to be somewhere between 110 and 120 ticks in length. So I'll pair my ATM to that. We'll go for 20 tick first targets and de-risk the trade. Then we'll run for 50s and 100 tick runners. This is an amazing, amazing strong candle. We've come up here, we've tried to close patterns, we've failed, and we get this massive strong candle going the other way. A stunning, stunning strong candle right here. And here's how it all went down. We could put an order outside the range. We put a cover order on in case the market runs without us. If it retraces, if this candle retraces long, we'll go ahead and move this from underneath the candle to the body. But it does not retrace. So this is how it all went down in the room today. We'll keep it at 1 time speed. This is regular market speed until we get picked up in the trade. Then we'll quicken it somewhat. So, yep, we got picked up right away. Now, watch what happens when we get our first target taken out. Our stop will come. We should put it where it belongs, which is way up here. But as soon as our first target gets taken out, our stop is going to come to a break-even position, what it should be just right behind this particular candle. A little bit short. Now, if the market does come down and take us out at break-even, we do have an opportunity to put a new trade on, but I don't think this came back. This just runs short, I believe, but I don't remember exactly whether we put 2 trades on or 1, but this is our first attempt at it. All right, so it did take us out right away. We do have a chance to re-enter. Boom, there we are. Same situation. We just go through the same routine again. Put the stop where it belongs. Once the target gets hit, I can get another trade ready in case it is not enough and wants to go a third time. So here's our 50 tick runner. And there's our 100 tick runner right here. Now we'll speed it up a bit. Boom, 20s times 2 is out, 50 is out. So we're 90 ticks into profit, looking for our 100 tick target to get hit. Boom, there we go. So we did have to re-enter the trade, but that's okay. That trade right there took 2.5 minutes to complete and was worth 975 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make $975 in 2.5 minutes, come and join us at samuraidaytrading.com. That's samuraidaytrading.com, the only place you're going to find this amazing strong candle indicator. So we look forward to seeing you next time. God bless you, and we'll see you then.